For you on this edition, but let's get you started with a big political controversy ahead of Ram Navami tomorrow that's playing out in the state of West Bengal. The Calcutta High Court granted permission to one of the Hindu organizations to hold a procession on Ram Navami in Howrah city. There were restrictions that were placed by the state administration, which is why this group went to the High Court in the first place. The court imposed certain conditions to ensure that the event proceeds without any tensions. We saw Justice Jay Sen Gupta permit the procession, stipulating that no provocative slogans should be chanted. The court also mandated that the procession be held with a maximum of 200 participants. This is not only in Howrah, in several other parts of West Bengal too. Either routes have been changed or restrictions have been placed. That is what is going to play out tomorrow. But politically, between the BJP and the TMC, there are war of words that have erupted as well. Prime Minister Modi was in West Bengal today. He addressed 2 rallies there, and while addressing that rally in Balurghat today, he hit out at the state government for stopping the Ram Navami Yatra in Bengal. He also spoke about the violence that has been witnessed in the state of West Bengal over the last few years. Lashing right back at the BJP, TMC accused the Saffron Party of instigating these riots in the state.
ये पहली रामनवमी है जब अयोध्या में भव्य राम मंदिर में राम लला विराजमान हो चुके हैं। मुझे पता है टीएमसी ने हमेशा की तरह यहां रामनवमी उत्सव को रोकने की पूरी कोशिश की, सारे षड्यंत्र किए, लेकिन जीत सत्य की ही होती है। इसलिए कोर्ट से अनुमति मिल गई है और कल पूरी श्रद्धा और भक्ति के साथ रामनवमी की शोभा यात्राएं निकलेगी।
17 তারিখ মানে দাঙ্গা করার প্ল্যান করে রেখে দিয়েছে। আমরা দাঙ্গা চাই না, আমরা শান্তি চাই। ও দাঙ্গা করে ভোট দখল করে নেবে আর দেশটাকে বিক্রি করে দেবে।
The Prime Minister there escalating his attack on the state government, going on to say that the law does not decide what will be permitted and what not. It's the TMC that actually decides. The Tolabaz and the goons of the TMC are the words that the Prime Minister used while hitting out at the state government for not allowing Ram Navami Yatras in the past, for placing restriction on them as well.
साथियों, टीएमसी के बंगाल में किस चीज की परमिशन मिलेगी, किसकी परमिशन नहीं मिलेगी, ये कानून तय नहीं करता। ये टीएमसी के तोलाबाज और गुंडे तय करते हैं। बंगाल में रामनवमी की शोभा यात्रा की परमिशन नहीं मिलती। उसके लिए श्रद्धालुओं को कोर्ट जाना पड़ता है, लेकिन रामनवमी और दुर्गा पूजा की शोभा यात्राओं पर पत्थर फेंकने वालों को टीएमसी सरकार ने पूरी परमिशन दे रखी है।
Payal, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more perspective on this. Payal, this is something that the BJP has often spoken of, accused the TMC government in West Bengal of being anti-Hindu. The Prime Minister echoing that same sentiment and that same narrative as he addressed both those rallies in the state today.
Well, absolutely. The Prime Minister has spoken about the fact that, neither can you take out yatras for the Ram Navami or neither can the procession of the Durga Visarjan happen because, obviously some other processions are taken out at that point in time. So that's the reason the Prime Minister says that the TMC is giving permission only to those people who actually pelt stones at Ram Navami procession carriers, and that's been something which has been witnessed in the history of Bengal, and that is something which the Prime Minister has been extremely critical about. Remember, Ram Navami has been one festival that has actually created a lot of face-off between the BJP and the TMC, and the BJP often has questioned the TMC government as to why a certain community is being appeased to by them, and why is it that the majority cannot really celebrate their function. So this is not something new, but of course it comes in one day before the Ram Navami, and that's something which is very, very critical as far as the Prime Minister's attack is really concerned. And the Prime Minister says that in the state of Bengal, you can only do what the TMC goons really want. So that's been his line of attack as far as this entire festival is concerned.
And the war words between the TMC and the BJP are only escalating. Do stay on with us. Komalika, my colleague, also joining us, getting us more perspective on this. Komalika, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, yesterday spoke about riots or violence that could be witnessed on the occasion of Ram Navami tomorrow. She also said it would solely be the responsibility of the Election Commission there.
Yes, absolutely, because yesterday one DIG of Murshidabad was removed by Election Commission. So there she referred that it is only, she knows who are the people who manage if things go wrong. So now if things go wrong in Murshidabad, Malda area, then the entire responsibility will go to the Election Commission. At the same time, she also requested everyone not to be instigated by anything and go for violence, because that's the last thing Bengal should actually see before the first phase of election. So both the parties here are blaming each other that if something happens, then that responsibility go to the others. And also for TMC, it's also the Election Commission. But the huge arrangements have been made. There has been like from drone camera to a lot of body cameras, and a lot of CAPF is there in every place. So definitely there is a, as far as because the administration is also on the Election Commission, all focus of the Election Commission administration is to secure law and order tomorrow. That's also a challenge, but definitely there is an all-out effort from every end so that law and order does not get disturbed tomorrow in Ram Navami.
Right, what exactly happens tomorrow? Hopefully, all of these yatras that are planned for tomorrow are carried out without any law and order situation taking place there. For the moment, Payal and Komalika, thank you so much for getting us the latest.